Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying access. You need admin level or assigned system user permissions in Facebook Business Manager so you can create tokens. Once done, create a Facebook app or system user token for marketing API access and copy that token securely. Meanwhile, open Google Sheets and lay out column headers like campaign, ad set, spend, and date so incoming rows map correctly. Make sure billing and ad permissions match the token scope. Otherwise, the export will fail. Next, choose your integration path, a trusted Sheets add-on or a custom app script using OAuth 2. If you use app script, implement the token exchange, then call the marketing API endpoints for insights. Map each Facebook field to a sheet column, campaign ID, ad ID, impressions, spend, date start, and request a narrow date range to validate results. Run a test for 1 day. Inspect header alignment and types. If numbers look off, review token permissions and sampling parameters before continuing. Finally, automate refreshes. Set a time-driven trigger in app script or enable the add-on scheduler and choose hourly or daily frequency as needed. Make sure to rotate tokens before expiry and monitor API rate limit headers so you don't get blocked. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is reauthorizing the app or refreshing the token. Additionally, reduce query granularity or break requests into smaller date ranges. Keep an eye on API version deprecations and update calls when Facebook changes endpoints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.